Low. I go 205, just wait till I hit the nitro. I can't even let you get close. Jet fuel in the tank, big blues in the bank. I had to up on my rank. They couldn't do it like I can. No one can do what it takes. Okay, okay. Mission flyer, spitting fire.
Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great Sunshine State. There it is, Florida. And today is maybe a sad day, a happy day, a day of changing stuff up. So I think my nephew Zave, mission flyer, and the mission flyer. No more. We're gonna strip them down, send them on their merry way, start a new chapter, start something different. Who knows what that's gonna be. And as usual, if this is your first time definitely checking out the channel, definitely tap that subscribe button down below, bell icon for future upload, ding, like, share, comment, and enjoy the videos. Of course, Eleanor, the goat, isn't going anywhere, and Mako, the Camry, it's staying too. But let's go ahead and get into today's video. All right, so here it is. It's gonna hurt me as much as it's gonna hurt you guys, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start pulling the wrap off. I know, like, I may have to take the door handles off and some other stuff, take these rubber, maybe able to get away without taking the rubber trims off, but we're gonna start it. Look at that. The mission flyer. Me and Goofy. We had many a trips in this thing. Many a trips. All right, let's start it. I have the sun on this side. I had it in the sun all day. It's about, what, 70-something degrees today. I'm gonna try and get as much started on this side. It's that good wrap. I think this one's a 3M. So of course they didn't want to come off, but as I said, it is in the sun, so. All right, let's give it a pull here, guys. If you want a piece of this, let me know. I'll save you a piece. Just kidding. But yeah, guys, never thought this day would come. Or at least, you know, so soon. Oh, so I don't have to pull the door handles off. See, that's what happens when you have a good company. Shout out to Metro Wraps. They'll do a good job on the car. You notice I ain't peeling my paint off or anything like that. I think this wrap's been on here maybe closer to 2 years. So, starting a new chapter, guys. Comment down below what you think the new chapter should be. What direction you think the channel should go. You know, with everything must come to an end. Ain't that right, Zave? All good things come to an end or a change. So, we're gonna do a big change sooner than later than I thought for 2021. So, golly, it's just the edge, you know, trying to get this edge off. I'm trying to keep get as much off as possible with, you know, without, because the more I can get off now, the better off. All right. I might insert a sad song here. So look at that, minty fresh. Oh man, this job looks bigger than what I think it's gonna be.
Every day I'm moving closer to the goal line and tackling opposition like the Alabama Roll Tide. And most people wanna hold up a Heisman, but I'd rather stay in shape like Tyson. Years later I'll still be a gladiator, change his name from Tay the Dawn to Tay the Titan. Night out and night in, from dawn to the dusk. It's a law, it's a must that I build this kingdom from a pawn from the dust. Yeah, it's hard, it's been tough, but I like my shoes with a few blotches and scuffs. Enjoy the flaws in the rough. I've come far from where I've started. I won't let my name be tarnished. Took an arid desert and I turned that thing into a garden. Next I want the whole universe. I ain't no friendly Martian. Wait, I beg your pardon?
Here it is. I'm gonna stop for the day. It's cool on the other side, but it looks so nice and clean, don't it? Still have to finish tomorrow once the sun comes back out to get the rest of the popo chasing somebody. It ain't me, but that's where we at, guys. You guys can see where I'm at, my favorite place. Go hang out with my peeps. But this is where the Mission Flyer saga ends and a new one will begin. Everything must go. Everything got to be starting. Hey, Justin, I'm just letting you know I'm coming here. I'm getting rid of all my stuff. I'm gonna get something new. All right.
All right.
What you got?
What you want?
Yes.
Jeep Compass?
A Jeep Compass, maybe. I don't know, but Jeep Compass, a lot less money, a lot less responsibility, and I'll become a, what's it called, a reasonable or a responsible adult. But look at there. Woo! Sorry guys, I'm gonna go, whatever I want is gonna be in the showroom, so let's go ahead and check it out. It's a nice truck. Look at that baby.
I don't know what sleep is. I got a queen, she lit me to evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me to snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. You cut throat from the low when no love goes. Women buddy like